Calculating for power of 4 seems long and tedious, but after today you can solve it in less than 10 seconds. It requires only one formula to remember: a plus b raised to the power 4, a raised to the power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4ab cube plus b raised to the power 4. Let's see how to use this. To calculate for 12 raised to the power 4, treat 1 as A and 2 as B. Draw 4 lines. In the first box, write 1 raised to the power 4. In the second, 4 into 1 cube into 2. Third, 6 into 1 square into 2 square. Next, 4 into 1 into 2 cube. And finally 2 raised to the power 4. This become 1, 8, 24, 32, 16. Now start taking digits from right to left. First take 6 down and carry forward the remaining 1 to the left side. 32 plus 1, 33. Bring 3 down and carry forward 3 to the left. 24 plus 3, 27. Write 7 and carry forward 2 to the left. 8 plus 2, 10. Write 0 and take 1 to the left. Finally 1 plus 1, 2, and you get the required result 20736. Did you notice how quickly you get the result? Let's solve for one more example and you'll never forget this. 31 raised to the power 4, A 3, B 1. Draw 4 lines. In the first box, 3 raised to the power 4. Next, 4 into 3 cube into 1. 6 into 3 square into 1 square. 4 into 3 into 1 cube. 1 raised to the power 4. This become 81, 108, 54, 12, 1. Start solving from right to left. Bring 1 down. From 12, take 2 down and carry forward 1 to the left. 54 plus 1, 55. Write 5 and carry forward 5 to the left. 108 plus 5, 113. Bring 3 down and carry forward 11 to the left. 81 plus 11, 92. That makes 31 raised to the power 4, 923, 521.